Only 100 টাকা 120 টাকা দিছে বাইদেউ আহক চাই যাওক সাবুন
You know what he's saying? He's saying, come in and check it out. We don't charge you to check it out.
Hey folks, welcome back. We are thrilled to present the first vlog of the channel. And what better way to celebrate our joy of sharing recipes and food stories than showcasing something very close to my roots. We are today at Beltola Bazar in Guwahati, Assam. As soon as travel restrictions were lifted, we made a quick trip to India to meet our families. This bazaar is the epitome of robustness and rusticness in the city. Located in the prime residential neighbourhood, Beltola Bazar offers all herbs, spices, veggies that are ubiquitous to Assamese cuisine. The plan is to shop for 3 main ingredients, take them home, and share some delicious recipes that have been used for generations in my family. By the way, I'm not the one who will be cooking today. Can't wait for you folks to watch the second part of this video and meet the super cooks of my family.
This is Sawtooth coriander. I've used it in my lab salad recipe. It's extremely aromatic. I don't want to take off my mask, but it's extremely aromatic. And how can we miss this? This is Guti Aloo, king chili or ghost pepper as some people call. Extremely hot.
Every shop, every stall is inviting me right now.
This is saying this is a better finish than this, but I like the size of it.
It's shallower, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, like mura.
Look at these gorgeous stools. Gosh, reminds me of my holidays well spent at my grandmother's. I always miss these bamboo trays and baskets whenever I'm making some lusi, puri, pani puri or dumpling wrappers back home in Toronto. I'm asking him for a bamboo tray called dola in Assamese, which can fit into my luggage to be brought back to Toronto.
I'm getting this. I'll fry puris and keep it here and serve it here. And this one for making dumpling wraps. Good to spread out, you know. So these two. So I'm so excited about the souvenirs from Assam. Some yummy dumplings and puri waiting at home.
Yum, yum, yum.
Assamese food is nothing like North or South Indian food, and to understand that, one has to look into the ingredients. Families stock up veggies and herbs, keeping in mind what they're going to cook, at the same time being mindful of the medicinal properties of each ingredient.
Morisaha. Banana blossom, also known as koldil. That's bhut jalakia. That's omita, papaya. It's in raw form. It's not ripe. It's unripe. And that's rabateng. Are rabateng, no? That's rabateng. It's like pomelo. Fresh turmeric, ginger. Look at this! Garlic! Mini baby garlic.
Tiny.
So tiny. I know. Size today. Assam is very fertile for black pepper. So around tea gardens, you would often see people growing pepper. So this is the greener form of pepper. I really want to take off my mask and smell it. Ah, so good. Fiddlehead fern. In Toronto, we get it only during the springtime, but most of the year it's available here and it's so good. And this is kukum. I mean, in Assamese we call it thekera, but also it's a different variety found in South India called kukum. It's another superfood.
This sun-dried hilika is called Indian hog plum in English, and I believe it's called harikati in Hindi. Known for its usage in Ayurvedic medicine, we used to casually munch on them as a healthy snack. An overwhelming experience as I'm doing this in my place after a long time. The first produce I'm buying is Guti Aloo. Guti means seed and aloo is potato. These are smaller than baby potatoes, resembling the size of seeds. This is a huge local favorite of Assamese people for stir fries. Watch the second part of this video and you will see how this humble potato has become a cultural, culinary icon.
Oh, that's fish market.
Most grocery bazaars of Assam have a designated spot for fresh river fish or dry fish market. Jagi Road, just 50 kilometers away from the capital, has Asia's largest dry fish market. So you can imagine how integral dry fish is for Assamese cuisine. I'm here to buy bamla mas, also known as bombedak. This is also available in Bangladeshi stores in Toronto, and the spicy stir-fry recipe that I'm going to share in the second part of this video is to die for. It was a great opportunity for me to brush up on my fish identifying skills and learn about some more new varieties of fish that I have not known before. Now we are hunting for the third and final ingredient, Kolposola, called banana stem or banana shoot. There I go again. I completely got distracted by these cute miniature baskets, and I picked up a few to decorate the kitchen.
Hey, Kolposola.
Oh, this is bamboo shoot.
So we are looking for Kolposola.
I requested me to make Kolposola thar with smoked meat. Right, Dada? Kolposola kot pan? Bisai bhagari hoise. Kolposola. Kutte kon bisaisu?
And the search continues.
Bit of a hard luck, unable to find banana shoot Kolposola, but we are heading elsewhere and hopefully find it there.
We drove to another market and finally were able to find Kolposola. Assam is such a chill place. A vendor from another shop sold me the banana shoot while the owner was away.
Finally found Kolposola. Can't wait to compare with Ami.
When he came back, he explained to me about this incredible climber herb called amarlata or giloi. I told him my mom already has it, so he gave me one for free. How kind.
Mission accomplished. Giloi.
We are heading home now. I hope you got to learn something new about fresh produce and food indigenous to this part of the world. Your likes and comments help the YouTube algorithm push our videos to a wider like-minded audience. So please don't forget to like and comment. I'll see you folks in the second part of the video. Till then, take care.